Okay, so I'm making this video because one of the comments I got in a YouTube video kind of prompted me or motivated me to make this video about the changes of ko, ikaw, and stuff, right? This is a pronoun video, and I'm going to talk about how ko, ikaw can change to taka, tika, or tikao. It depends on your dialect, or it depends on your regional difference. Again, you know, I grew up learning or saying taka instead of tika or tikao, but I've heard tikao and tika. I mean, I've heard those too. I'm gonna use taka because it's just what I was grown up with, right? So this case only happens when you have the first person singular doing an action to the second person singular, right? It's a direct action to the second person singular, and it only works when you have a first person and second person singular, right? So I'm doing something to you. That's the action. There's an action I'm doing to you directly, okay? And the first sentence I have here, okay? Gihigugma ko ikaw. You'll see how this flows when I start explaining the sentences, so just bear with me. Gihigugma ko ikaw means it just simply means I love you, right? Who is doing the loving? Me, right? And notice ikaw is in the absolutive case because ikaw is the focus. It holds more importance than me. I'm the one that's doing the loving to you because you're holding more importance than me. You're my focus, right? And of course, ko is like the short form, right? So I can change gihigugma ko ikaw into gihigugma taka, or as some other dialect speakers would say, gihigugma tika, gihigugma tikaw. It doesn't matter, right? Just dialectal difference again. So gihigugma taka means I love you. But if you say it in gihigugma taka versus gihigugma ko ikaw, gihigugma taka has a much more deeper sense. It has a much more deeper meaning to it because it's showing that the first person singular, me, is the person that's doing the direct action to you. There's much more deeper meaning to it now, right? So it's like, wow, I really do love you, you know? There's a deeper meaning than just saying, oh, I love you, right? Next sentence, okay, sumbagon ko ikaw, right? Sumbagon ko ikaw, which means I'm gonna hit you, or I'm gonna like punch you, or like smack you in the head or something like that, right? I'm gonna hit you. Sumbagon ko ikaw. Yeah, that's great. But if you want to be more serious in a serious tone, and again, ikaw is in that absolutive focus, you can change it to sumbagon taka. Okay, sumbagon taka, right? Sumbagon taka. I'm definitely gonna fucking hit you now. Fuck that. You know, I'm gonna hit you. Sumbagon taka. You know, and there's again, it's a much more serious tone to it instead of saying sumbagon ko ikaw. The next one is pukawan ko ikaw. Right? Pukawan ko ikaw. I'm gonna wake you up, right? I'm gonna wake you up. But you can also say pukawan taka, I'll wake you up, okay? Pukawan taka, I'm gonna wake you up. And like you're pretty serious about it too. Like pukawan taka, I'm just gonna go there and shake you, wake you up. Yeah, hey, matana, get up. Pukawan taka. And then the last one, this one's kind of funny. Kaonon ko ikaw. Kaonon ko ikaw. I'm gonna eat you. You can say kaonon taka. Yeah, oh, I'm gonna eat you. Kaonon taka. I'm gonna eat you. Right? So again, the ko ikaw can change into taka, you know, your dialectal differences. And the major point to take here is that the first person singular does a direct action to the second person singular, and the second person must be in the absolutive, okay, in the absolutive case, because that's the focus we're talking about in the absolutive. All right, so if you have any questions, this is just go ahead, write it down, comments, whatever, right? So again, ko ikaw can change to taka.